The Vive XR Elite just got even better with 4 new accessories in their brand new deluxe pack. Let's take a look at each one. The first accessory is the Vive Face Gasket 2.0 for the XR series. This gasket is an upgrade from the original one that came out with the XRE, but is even more cozy because of its soft foam. The deluxe pack even comes with an additional foam piece. This is so helpful, especially if you enjoy doing fitness in VR. I personally really love dancing in VR chat, and having 2 different foam pieces, one for daily use and one for dancing, is super helpful. The 2.0 face gasket is easy to put on. With just a snap and a click, it will fit great. Going from the original gasket to this one, I can confidently say it feels even better than before. These upgrades coming from the XRE have made wonderful strides. The next peach? Yes, the peaches we include in our package. No, we don't do that. The next piece that I'm most excited about is the Vive Deluxe Strap. The XRE does initially come with this base head strap, which is incredible and saves a lot with distributing the weight evenly across your face. But the new one is even better. After trying it on for the first time, I actually felt like I just wanted to keep the headset on purely for the comfort of the strap. I even tested shaking my head around a bit, and the strap felt very well secure. This has incredible potential for being a great strap for all the VR dancers out there. You can put this piece on by clicking the battery cradle part over the original cradle and snapping it on. The front strap wraps around to the front and hooks onto the gap. You can then start the clip right before the left eyepiece and slide it towards the middle to clip it in. The strap is also adjustable with this Velcro piece, which you can manipulate before putting the headset on, or even after if you feel like you need to adjust it while it's on your head. This strap is truly a game changer. Next is the MR gasket. It's a great addition for those of you who've been exploring the pass-through feature on the Vive XR Elite. The MR gasket is ideal for mixed reality games that blend the real world with your virtual experience. The MR gasket lifts the headset away from your face a bit, giving you back some of your peripheral vision, which is super handy in a mixed reality setting. And while you can totally use this gasket for other VR content, I'd recommend the Vive Face Gasket 2.0 for non-mixed reality games. The more you can immerse yourself and block out your peripheral vision, the more epic your VR gaming sessions will be. This one is a super simple application too. You just need to remove whatever current gasket is on your XRE and let this one attach to the magnetic part of the headset. Push it in a bit to make sure that it's connected correctly. It's exciting to see how Vive keeps pushing the VR envelope to elevate it to the next level. And an accessory that helps support the XRE's lightweight design is the Vive Temple Clips. In the deluxe pack, you'll get a left and right temple clip to help make the XRE even more sturdy than before. You'll want to slide these onto each side before attaching the battery cradle. Make sure to hold your headset with 2 hands or on a steady surface while attaching the temple clips. If you have yet to get a Vive XR Elite and you want to try out these accessories, we have a great deal going on right now. You can get these 4 accessories and $100 off, plus 5 PC VR titles. Check out the link in the description for more information. Interested in more cool VR accessories? Learn more about the Vive Full Face Tracker, where you can get face tracking on avatars in this video next.